Hey everyone, this is Neha and welcome back to my channel. First of all, I want to express my heartfelt thanks to my lovely viewers who have showered their love on my video named Analytical Paragraph, and in which I explain the introduction, tips, vocabulary and the example of line graph. And on the request of my viewers, I have made another video on the same topic, Analytical Paragraph, and in this video I have taken up the example of pie chart. Hey friends, earlier CBSE has given the weightage of 10 marks to this question and the word limit was of 150 to 200 words. But as per the latest change now, this question will be of 5 marks in your question paper and its word limit will be of 100 to 120 words. Writing this analytical paragraph, there are certain points that we need to remember. Number one, we have to read the question carefully and then we have to summarize the information by selecting the main feature. We have to just make a little bit of main points we can keep in our mind and we can summarize all those points. And then if there is a need of comparisons, then we can make the relevant comparisons and we have no need to add our own information or data related to the given topic. So let's start with the question. Question 1. The pie charts below show the comparison of different kinds of energy production of France in 2 years. Here in the given stimulus you can see 2 pie charts given, and here it is the comparison of energy production in the year 1995 and then in the year of 2005. So here we can see that the comparison is there between the 10 years of time period, and here are different natural resources are given like coal, gas, petro, nuclear and other sources. So on the basis of this comparison we have to write the analytical paragraph. So here we have to summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make the comparisons where relevant, and we have to keep in mind the word limit also. Before starting the answer, we should need to revise the format of analytical paragraph. So there will be total 4 paragraphs. Number 1 is introduction, then there will be 2 paragraphs of the body. Second is body paragraph 1, then third body paragraph 2. Number 4 will be conclusion. Here you can see on screen the stimulus and the sample answer is also given. So number 1 is introduction. The 2 pie charts illustrate the proportion of 5 types of energy production in France in 1995 and 2005. Second one is body paragraph 1, in which we can see that energy produced by coal comprised of 29.80% in the first year, and this showed only a very slight increase of about a mere 1% to 30.9% in 2005. Likewise, in 1995, gas generated 29.63%, which rose marginally to 30.1% 10 years later. So here you can see that I have used the vocabulary like a very slight increase, likewise, and rose marginally. So such sort of vocabulary need to be added while writing the paragraphs. So third one is body paragraph 2. With regards to the remaining methods of producing energy, there was an approximate 5% growth in production from both nuclear power and other sources to 10.10% and 9.10% respectively. Petrol, on the other hand, was the only source of energy which decreased in production from 29.27% in 1995 to around a fifth in 2005. Last para is number 4, which is a conclusion, or you can write it as overview. Overall, in both years, the most significant source of energy were gas and coal, which together accounted for over half the production of energy, while nuclear and other kinds of energy sources generated the least amount of energy in France. In all types of energy production, there was only minimal change over the 10-year period. So Here you can see the whole answer. In your answer, you have no need to mention these 4 points like introduction, body, conclusion. You have to just write the 4 paragraphs, and after each paragraph, you need to leave one line for the clarity of the answer. And I have given some pie chart tips also here. Always highlight the largest and smallest proportions. Then if there are 2 pie charts in different time periods, then you must highlight the key changes or the trends. And then use pie chart language like accounts for, comprises of, represents. Thanks for watching.